Today, I will be modding my Lakshmi Redragon K606 mechanical keyboard. I got this keyboard for 1,000 Philippine pesos or about 20 US dollars. The first thing I did was take out all the keycaps. Next, I took out all the screws so I could take the PCB and plate out of the case. I then took some packaging foam and cut it so that it would fit inside the case. Next were the switches. One by one, I took them apart and I lubed them with Momodal lube. These are Gatoron Milky Yellows that I bought online. I'm not gonna show me lubing all the switches, but if you wanna know how I did it, there are multiple tutorials that you can search online. Next were the stabilizers. The stabs were clipped and modded with the Holy Mod. As you can see, not all the stabs on the keyboard are the same. This is because I replaced some with stabs from my other keyboard. The Gatoron Milky Yellow switches were clipped so that they could fit inside the PCB sockets. Finally, we have the keycaps. These are double-shot PBT rainbow keycaps that I bought online. And here's the final build.